Look, some people think you have to be a tech genius or some guru in order to make money online, and that is simply not the case. You can make money online, and it is possible for you to make money online even as a beginner with the HBA Funnel Builder, following the steps that I'm about to share with you in this video. Now, my name is Richard Hairston. I've been in affiliate marketing for quite a few years, and the first affiliate program that I joined, that paid residual income, was a funnel builder tool that had all of the tools built in it. And I was using that particular funnel builder to promote another affiliate program that I was a part of. But the sad thing is, both of those affiliate programs shut down. The funnel builder shut down. The owners, I don't know what happened, but the owners, something happened between them or, just with the company in general. But anyway, it shut down. And then the affiliate program that I was a part of, that was paying like $80 commission per sign up, it actually changed its commission plan on it. Now, it may be still in business, but, far as I'm concerned, it shut down because I actually stopped promoting it. But here's the thing, the HBA Funnel Builder, the HBA, the Home Business Academy, has been in business now since 2016. Okay, that's almost going on 10 years, paid out over $7 million in commissions to its affiliate, feeding starving children, invested so much. We as the affiliates actually help feed starving children inside of the Home Business Academy. Now, what I'm going to do is show you in this video exactly how you can make money with the HBA Funnel Builder, because there are several ways you can do it. One is you can do it by actually creating funnels for offline businesses or people that are online who are looking for a funnel builder. And you don't have to go do it inside of an expensive funnel builder, because this one is only $25 per month. That pays out a $20 per month residual income. So you can go ahead on and do that. There are people online right now who don't want to go through the process of creating funnels. So you can actually create the funnel for them, charge them a monthly retainer fee for that, for you to do the upkeep. And if you build any more funnels for them, you can charge them for those funnels as well. So that's one way you can make money with the Home Business Academy. Another way that you can do it is actually just building funnels for any other affiliate products that you're doing. If you're doing Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, any other health type of products, network marketing products, then you can actually, use those funnels that you create inside of the HBA Funnel Builder to promote your other products. So it's not necessarily you just have to focus on HBA products. That's not the case. You can focus on selling other or promoting other affiliate products, Amazon, it doesn't matter. You can do that as well. Another way that you can earn money with the home business, the HBA Funnel Builder, is you can actually build a funnel for your team in network marketing. And then you could charge your team, if you wanted to, a fee in order to get that, or tell your team this is the funnel builder that you're using and that they need to get this funnel builder. Okay, so now you're earning residual income that way. So now you are an affiliate, and you can just straight up be an affiliate for the HBA Funnel Builder, the Home Business Academy, with the Let's Go app, the Funnel Builder, the Premium Traffic and Conversion, and the Financial Literacy Academy. Okay, so you're able to be an affiliate for all of those programs. So there are several ways that you can make money inside of the Home Business Academy using the HBA Funnel Builder. So now let me give you a quick demo of the Funnel Builder so you can see how it works. So here we are inside of the funnel builder, and this is just a simple funnel that I'm promoting right now. You'll get access to this funnel by clicking the link in the description, but it's starting off with the Let's Go app. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm actually getting people into the lowest point entry into the Home Business Academy, which is $10 per month, but you earn $8 in residual income, instead of trying to get them to come in, at the $25 level or the $100 level. Okay, so if I get them to come in at the 10, here's it. They may just want the Let's Go app for personal development. Okay, but if they want to do the business, then they're going to need the funnel builder, so they upgrade to the $25 level. Okay, so now you're earning not just $8 per month, you're earning $20 per month in residual income per person, as far as that is concerned. And now once they get the funnel builder, they want to know, well, how do I get traffic? How do I, promote this, then you tell them, hey, you can share some of your strategies with them, or you can tell them, look, you need to get the premium traffic and conversion. Then they move up to that. Now you're earning $100 in residual income with that. So now that's $128 in residual income. So let's look at how this simple little funnel builder works. First of all, it's just a simple drag and drop. You can click in here, okay, edit things. This bar is going to pop up. You can come in here and just change all of this, any text in here that you want to text, you can highlight it, change the color on it. If you want to change the color from that to red to whatever it is you want to do, you can italicize it, all of that. I'm not going to mess with this page because I really don't want to, have to straighten it back out. But it's simple, drag and drop. It works in blocks. Okay, so you come down here, you'll set up another block. You have a block here. You can actually set up a Google recapture here. Make sure people are actually giving you their real information. You can collect as many information here on the form as you want. Okay, if you want their name, email, and name or phone number, you can do that. Just know that the more information that you're asking for, the less people are going to fill it out, but the better quality of people filling it out if they're giving you their correct information. So you will simply have an opt-in page like this, and then you're able to go here to the next page by clicking this button here up at the top, or you can come back over here and click it back and go back to this page, or you can come over here and go down the left side over here. And you can come here and see the funnels that you have. So you see I have different funnels in here. Okay, I have what I call a team funnel here as well. And then I have a setup page for that team funnel. I got to go back and redo this page simply because now, since with the new system that has come out, I need to redo this page. So I'll get that done soon. So you're able to come in here, you see all your pages. You can have unlimited funnels in here as many as you want, but actually that tell you right now, the best advice I can give you is start with one funnel and be done. Okay, don't go creating all of these different funnels. Start with one funnel, depending upon what it is that you're promoting. Okay, you're able to, all of your widgets here, to just drag and drop things over here if you want to do that. You can change your color palettes, text styling, add fonts, color palette, website layout, page settings. All of your funnels are here. If I click up here, you can see all of the funnels that I have in here. Okay. Come down here, you can add URL redirects. You're going to connect your own personal domain, your language, your cookie privacy, your application system, emails, personalization, all of that. You can have, you're going to connect the domain to it. You want to make sure you do that. Applications, you can add applications. You can do Aweber, Facebook, Web Connect, email service, MailerLite, all of that, MoonSend. You can have those in here as well. So you can connect any outside autoresponder. You will need a third-party autoresponder to actually build and collect your leads. And you want to be building your email list. And then you can preview what it is that you've done here. You can see it in the, PC, tablet, and the phone version of it as well. So you'll be able to see all of that information in there. And then you click the close out. Now, here's the beauty of this. If you wanted to add, let me go back to this page right here. We have all kinds of templates in here that you can access to. So if I come over here and I go here and I click on add new step, go to page. Over here, you have all of these templates that you can get access to for whatever it is that you are doing. Amy has some templates here: lead capture template, thank you page, team, terms, privacy, about, contact, link pages, like link tree pages. You have those pages in here. All of this is editable. You can edit it any way you want to. Sales page, product, it does not matter. I come down through here. You can set up membership sites in here as well. You can have your own calendar in here. You're in the MLM network marketing. We have a funnel for that already. If we come down through here, my templates right here, all the templates I have created, they are right here as well. So you have all of these templates that other people have created that you're going to get access to, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, here's the beauty of it. You're going to get access to this group right here. You're going to see, right here, people are actually earning residual income. Debbie, residual income. Mike Hobbs, Paul Hutchin, Tony, Paul, Nicole, Moran, Unlimited Lifestyle, Paul Hutchin, Kevin Sosa, Michael Day, Diane Hockman, Merle, Richard Hairston, Alan Con. So it does work. All of this training you're going to get access to. For the $10, you get access to the Let's Go app. For the funnel builder, you get access to the funnel builder. All of the training that you need is going to be located over here on the right to get you started and going in the right direction. So you're not going to be left out. Does this work? Here are some of the results that I have been getting since I've been a part. This goes back. This just keeps going. I mean, this keeps going. 2024, I can keep on going. All of the results that I'm getting here, you can get these same results, but if you plug in and stick with it and don't go jumping from one thing to the next. So with that being said, if you're ready to get the HBA funnel builder, go ahead on right now. You can click the link that's in the description below to get started with me in the Home Business Academy. Now, when you get ready to join me in the Home Business Academy, I have some bonuses that I'm going to share with you right now. All right, one of the bonuses that I'm going to share with you is emails that sales. Okay, this was given to me as a bonus by my sponsor, Paul. Okay, so these emails converted over 500 customers in 2 weeks. These are the exact same emails that you're going to get access to. I would take these emails as you get them, tweak them to fit your own style. You can even put them inside of ChatGPT and, make them work for you, okay, to fit your style and tone once you have, trained ChatGPT to do that. So you're going to get emails that sales. And these emails here, they work if you work it. So all of that is here for you as well. That's if you join the Let's Go app. Okay. And when you join the Let's Go app, I have actually put together what I call the $10 profit blueprint that you can plug inside of ChatGPT. It's going to ask you who's your target audience, your 3 objections that they're having. You answer these questions and then you copy this master prompt right here. Guess what it's going to do? It's going to help you create your opt-in page, your bridge page, your 7-day email series, social posts, a short video script, DM messenger setup, follow-ups, and personal $10 profit summary. So you're going to get all of that once you answer the questions that are up here above. Okay, you're going to paste them below this prompt, and it's going to create all of this for you. So you don't have to worry about how to create what I need to put on my opt-in page, what I need to put on my bridge page, what my bridge page video need to be about. It's only going to be a short 3-minute video that you're going to get access to. So I'm giving this to you. So as a bonus, when you join me in the Home Business Academy, go ahead, click that link in the description. Watch the next video that's on the screen so you can learn more about the Let's Go app. With that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.